everyone, it's Marky. Today I just wanted to talk about these meal prep containers that I got. These actually come in a pack of 8, so you have a whole bunch of them, which I love. They're 30 ounces each, so they really do hold a lot of food. So perfect for meal prep. I've been meal prepping a lot for me and my husband lately, and these are my absolute favorite because before we were just using like standard Tupperware, like the plastic ones, and these are so much better. The plastic ones always get stained or they get warped in the dishwasher, or there's so many things. They get cracked. There's a lot of things that can happen. These are so great. They are actually glass on the base, and then this lid here has 4 different closures, as you can see, and it's airtight. So the inside here has a BPA-Free silicone lining that's going to keep it completely sealed, all of the air out of it, and then it also prevents any leaking, which I love, because another reason I use these is I will cut up fruit or vegetables for my kids and I will store them in my fridge, and my kids dig through the fridge like it's a toy box and just throw things everywhere. So these will be tipped, nothing spills. I also like to use them for freezer meals because of the glass bottom. You can freeze these perfectly, and I've done that with Tupperware and they always crack or something always happens and it just doesn't work out well. I love that when I know I'm gonna be gone, I can put meals in here for my family or lunches for my kids to heat up or lunches for my husband, and it's so easy and convenient. So yeah, like I said, freezer, you can put the base itself in the oven. So if they're taking something out and it's like a lasagna and they want to throw it in the oven instead of the microwave, all they have to do is remove the lid. And this is basically just like a little casserole dish, like a personal sized casserole dish. I can't even speak. But yeah, they are so perfect. I have absolutely loved them. I love that it comes in a pack of 8, and I love that they are such a good size and they hold up so well. Also dishwasher-safe, really convenient, super easy to use, and just makes life a little bit easier. So if you're looking for something to maybe meal prep or just have things in the fridge for your kids already cut up and ready to go, I think this is a perfect choice. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.